Next, I'm gonna install the backsplash, put the doors on the hinges and install the hinges. And then I'll put in the casters on the bottom, and this should be getting ready to be staged real soon. So I just want to show you that the screw is stripped here. If I keep spinning it, it doesn't lock in, it doesn't tighten up. So I'm going to take out the screw, insert a toothpick, put it in there as far as it can go, snap it off, and then we are going to start the screw, get it in there. It's nice and snug, and I'm going to tighten it up. With my screwdriver, and it's going to get nice and snug in there. There we go, nice and snug now. Okay, so that's a little trick with the toothpick and a strip screw. Just installed the clasp to close the door. I just had to put the hardware on so I can make sure that it closes nicely, that there's no rubbing. We did sand down certain areas where the door was originally rubbing, and if it was close, we took some of that off just to make sure, because we were adding primer and 2 to 3 coats of paint on. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to make sure that it closes nicely with no rubbing. So fingers crossed. The beautiful hardware that I just installed. So I put it on, so let's see if it closes. Oh my gosh, it closes. Okay, so let's see. I want to make sure everything looks good. Okay. Okay, closes so good. And it's completed. I installed the backsplash, all the hardware, everything functions so nicely. The raw wood where the distressing is had wax applied to it. The paint has been top coated with polyacrylic. The legs and the top was sanded down, bleached, whitewashed, and applied with top coat of the polyacrylic satin finish. This came out so pretty. So next, I'm going to show you how I staged the piece.